It says we're naming and drawing quadrilaterals. All right. So quadrilaterals, how many sides do they have? Four. Okay. Then lateral means side, so four sides. All right. So name two attributes or two characteristics or two ways of describing. Says name two attributes of a square that are not attributes of a parallelogram.
They all don't have equal sides.
Okay, so the square has equal. All four are equals as all sides are equal, but the parallelogram doesn't. Okay, what's another one, Aaron?
The square has all straight sides.
Oh, okay. So does this one. I mean, this is kind of straight across like this.
Well, it has four right angles.
Four right angles. Good. Look, right here. See, this is a right angle. Okay. And then look. Does the parallelogram have a right angle? No. Excellent. It says I have a quadrilateral. It has four sides that are all the same length. If it does not have any right angles, what is the name of the shape? I just said it.
Rhombus.
Rhombus. Okay, so can this be a rhombus?
No.
Technically, no. Okay, because it does not. A rhombus does not have any right angles. Okay, so look, it says you can make a model to help name a quadrilateral. Okay, we have four toothpicks that are the same size. Okay, and we arrange them to look like a quadrilateral. Okay, and we just make sure that we don't have any right angles like this. See, no right angle because there's no. In other words, the line does not come here. It should be like this if it was going to be a right angle, but there's no line there. Okay. You can also make a list of attributes to help you name a quadrilateral. So look at the model above, which is this. Think about everything you know about this shape. Is it a quadrilateral? Does it have four sides and four angles?
Yeah.
Does this have four sides?
Yeah.
Yes. Does it have four angles?
Yeah.
That's quadrilateral. Okay. It has all the sides that are the same length.
Yeah.
Yes, it does. Okay. And it does not have any right angles, so it's not a square. Is that a square? No. All right, look at page 701. It says, what is the name of the shape described on the previous page? Well, we said that was a rhombus, right? Okay, it says, look at the shape to the right. So look at this shape right here. Look at that shape. Is it a quadrilateral?
Yeah.
Why?
It
Has four sides. Boom. Is the shape a parallelogram?
No.
Why isn't it a parallelogram?
The sides aren't parallel.
I don't have sides that look like this, right? This would be a parallelogram. Okay. Is it a rectangle?
No.
Why?
Because it also doesn't have parallel sides and it doesn't have right angles.
It doesn't have any right angles. Plus this side right here, plus this side is not the same length as this side, right? Okay. And is it a rhombus?
No.
No, a rhombus is this. Okay, it has two pairs of parallel sides and all the sides are equal. Now what I want you to do, it says draw a different quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram, not a rectangle, or a rhombus. Go. All right, look at 6, page on 702. It says, look at all the quadrilaterals below that have two pairs of sides that are the same length, but are not rectangles. All right. Can I circle this? No, because it says it's not a rectangle, right? Can I circle this?
Yes.
Two pairs of the same length? Yes. the left is the same length as the right. The top is the same length as the bottom. Boom. Okay. Can I circle this? Yes. These two sides up here at the top are the same, and these two sides here at the bottom are the same. Can I do this?
No, it's a special rectangle.
Technically, yes, but it is a square, so I can't circle that one. Okay, and opposite sides are it does have two pairs of the same length. But if you had it like this, I would still give you credit. Now, look at number 7. You're going to draw this on the back of the clock. Ready? Look what it says. Draw a rectangle. So right now, how many sides your shape should have? How many? 4. That has at least one right angle. Everybody go like this. That's what your right angle looks like. Not this, not this, this. Okay? But it's not a rectangle, so don't draw this. Just leave it there. Thank you. I don't need that. Okay? All right, go. Ooh. Hey, who's close to 20 miles? You get 20 miles, you get one of these. Brown, white. Oh, I have a black one too. And it says Jaguars on the bottom. No, does it? What does it say? Oh, it says Crush on the bottom. Crush. I have no idea why. And you get a certificate that looks like this. Oh, and then extra special, laminated if you earn it. Sweet. I want to be a 20-mile person.
You would have to run with us.
All right, give you 30 seconds. Your shape should not look like mine. Because the thing says what? It should not be a rectangle. It should not look like mine. The direction says, but it is not a rectangle. That's a rectangle. So is that one. So is that one. Don't draw a square. I only need at least one right angle. It could be more than that, but at least one. So it's kind of a little difficult, isn't it? I would do something like this. Check it out. I would do something like this. First, okay, let's move it over here like this. First, do that. Okay. Then I'm going to do this. That's my right angle right there. Okay. And this, then I'm going to do that. And this, then I'm going to do that. Does it have 4 sides?
Yeah.
Does it have at least one right angle?
Yes.
Yes, it does. Right here. That's what the direction says. At least one right angle, right? Is that a rectangle? No. So just draw a kite. Okay, yours doesn't have any right angles. Much better. Perfect, Grayson. It doesn't have any right angles. Yours doesn't have any right angles. It has to have at least one. There you go. Yeah, like that. Good. All right, put them up. All right, you can go to Quadrilateral packet, go to page 3. So right here, in about 5 minutes. So let's work on this together. So how many sides does a quad have?
4.
Boom. How many pairs of parallel sides does a rectangle have?
2.
Yes. The top and bottom are parallel. The right and left are parallel, right? Side by side, meaning they never cross. How many pairs of parallel sides does a trapezoid have? 1. Top and bottom. Just like my table over here. Okay. Name 2. Does everybody have that? Says name 2 quadrilaterals. Let's move this down. Name 2 quadrilaterals in which all the sides have an equal length. What are they?
Parallelogram and square.
Okay, a square, yes. What's the other one? Rhombus. A parallelogram, opposite sides are the same length, not all of them. But Mr. Partita, isn't a rhombus a parallelogram? Yes. But to be more specific, a rhombus, all the sides are the same length. Okay. Name 2 quadrilaterals that have 4 right angles. I'm going to have you do that one. Go. So Jacqueline said a rectangle. Yeah, here, what's the other one? What's another shape that has right angles, all 4 right angles? A square, yes. Awesome. Sweet. Perfect. Now it says, yeah. Now it says color. Ooh, I love coloring. I love coloring. It says color the trapezoid that is next. Oh, that is next to the rhombus. Is this next to a rhombus? No. Is this next to a rhombus? No, it's actually next to a pentagon and a parallelogram. Is this next to a rhombus? Yes, because this is a rhombus. It says color the trapezoid that is next to the rhombus. All right. Yes, could do a better job than that. Mine just stays in lines. And once you're done coloring,